Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We're going to go down to Spokane, Washington and get some Hawaiian food. Make sure you stay till the end where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. First up, we're going to make a drink. This is called a Big Bird. So I just have a glass of ice, my cocktail shaker, a little bit of ice. We'll go 1 ounce of orange juice. And 1 ounce of pineapple, and 1 ounce of banana liqueur. And we'll give that a shaky shake. And we're just going to pour that over ice. Give that a little sample. Oh yeah, it's lovely. So that's a Big Bird. Coming up next, we're going down to Spokane, Washington. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.